How to fix high RAM, memory, CPU, and disk usage on Windows. First, you have to go to the Start icon and do a right click. Then you have to go to Run and then type in services.msc. Now go ahead and click Enter, which will now redirect you to the Services tab. Now you have to look for Superfetch, but if you do not find it, then you have to look for sysmain. So here you can see sysmain and do a double click on it. Now on the startup type, you have to disable it and then click on Apply. This shouldn't change much on your computer, but it will definitely improve the functionality. For the second step, you again have to go to the Start icon and do a right click. Now again go to Run and you have to type sysdm.cpl. It should redirect you to the system properties, and here you can see tabs like computer name, hardware, advanced. What you would want to do is go to the advanced tab, then head to settings under performance. Here you can see let Windows choose what is best for my computer has already been selected, but you have to change it to adjust for best performance. Now that has been done, go ahead and click on Apply, then select OK. Again, let's head to the Task Manager. Now you have to go to Startup, and under Status you'll be able to see which apps have been disabled or enabled during startup. Now if you think that you do not need any of the apps, you can go ahead and disable it. For that, all you have to do is go to the app that you want to disable during startup, do a right click on it, and select Disable. Please make sure not to do this with the graphics, audio, security, or Wi-Fi. You can only do this with the unnecessary apps that you do not need. Now let's head to the File Explorer. Then on the left side of the tab, you'll be able to see this PC. This is the example of what your drive C should not look like. I only have 6 GB available, but for a smoother experience, you need at least 25 to 50 GB free on your PC. You can always go and delete files that you do not need and clear up space. The higher the space on your PC, it will function better, so you just delete all the temporary and unwanted files. For the next step, you have to go to the search bar and type in Windows tool. Now under Settings, you'll be able to see Windows Update Settings. You just have to double click on it. Once that you are on this tab, you have to click Check for Updates. Once that has been done, you can close the tab, and now we will create a power plan. So again, you have to go to the search bar and type in Power Plan. You have to now select the option Choose a Power Plan. It is recommended that you choose the High Performance option and then click on Next. After that has been done, you just have to click on Create. What we will be doing now is we'll be deleting all the temporary files. For that, you have to go to the Start icon, do a right click, and go to Run again. Now type in temp, then Enter. Now just select all of this. For that, you just have to press on Ctrl A. Then to delete it, just click on Shift Delete. After that has been deleted, some of the files will still remain, but that is not going to be a problem. We will be now deleting some more temporary files. For that, you're going to have to go to Run, and this time you have to type in %temp and another %. Now go ahead and click on OK, then select all of these, then click on Delete. After the process ends, you have to restart your computer. Then upon restart, we will be now running a scanner. So at the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to see this arrow option. You just have to click on it and go to the Shield tab. Now on the left side, you'll be able to see Virus and Threat Protection. Do a double click on that. And here you have to click on Scan Options. Now from all of the scans that you see, you have to click on Full Scan, which is going to take a long while, maybe almost an hour. But it is recommended that you do this every month. After you select Full Scan, you just have to click on Scan Now. And as the scan keeps running, you can go and do whatever you are doing on your PC. After the scan ends, make sure to restart your PC, and you should already be able to see a vast improvement on your computer's performance. Try out all these methods and let us know what you think. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.